In today's video, I'm going to teach you Meshy AI Review 2026 Full Guide. Meshy AI is an AI-powered platform designed to generate 3D models from either text prompts or reference images. It's especially useful for game developers, designers, 3D artists, and creators who want to build assets quickly without starting every model from scratch. If your goal is rapid prototyping or speeding up parts of your 3D workflow, this platform is definitely worth a look. To get started, open your browser and head to the Meshy AI website. Once you're there, create a new account if you're new to the platform, or simply log in if you already have one. After signing in, take a moment to get familiar with the dashboard and overall layout so you know where each tool is located. One of the first things you should do is explore Meshy's main features. The core tools include text to 3D, image to 3D, AI texturing, animation, model export options, and support for APIs and plugins. Together, these features make Meshy more than just a model generator. It's a broader creation tool that can fit into different production pipelines. Next, test the text to 3D feature. Enter a descriptive prompt that clearly explains what you want the model to look like. The more specific you are, the better your output is likely to be. Then choose a style that fits your project, whether that's realistic, cartoon, low poly, voxel, or something similar. Generate the model, and review the result carefully to see how closely it matches your idea. After that, try the Image to 3D tool. Upload a reference image, and let Meshy convert it into a 3D asset. Once the result is ready, compare it with the original image to judge the accuracy of the shape, silhouette, and overall visual quality. This is a helpful way to test how well the platform translates 2D inspiration into 3D form. From there, customize your model. You can edit textures, apply AI-generated materials, and adjust the geometry if needed. Be sure to preview the model from multiple angles, because a model that looks great from the front may still need refinement on the sides or back. When you're happy with the result, export your project. Meshy supports formats like GLB, FBX, and OBJ, which makes it easier to move your work into tools such as Blender, Unity, or Unreal Engine. You should also review the pricing before committing. The free plan is useful for basic testing, while paid plans typically offer more credits, private assets, advanced tools, and higher quality exports. Overall, the pros are fast 3D generation, a beginner-friendly interface, strong rapid prototyping potential, multiple export formats, and built-in AI texturing and animation tools. On the downside, complex models may still need manual cleanup, the free plan has limitations, and results can vary depending on the quality of your prompt or image.